Hi, welcome to the channel. I am Sarah and I work online, or I do remote jobs. And on this channel, we mainly talk about making money from home. One question that I get all the time is which is the best online jobs, or how do I go about making money online? And my answer is constant. What are your skills? What skills do you have? What can you do? On this video, I want us to discuss 5 high-paying skills that you can easily learn and start making money online. And guys, we are in the full-blown digital age where we do not say things like education is the key to success or you have to be educated to get a job. No, skills are very important at this digital era. However, guys, I do not mean that you should not go to school or you should not graduate or something. I myself have graduated and I am a HR by profession, but I choose to do online jobs. And guys, in case you're here in Africa, you already know how unemployment is a big issue. Many graduates, people who've gotten good grades, are still at home searching for jobs. So it is very important for you to have a few skills that you can easily monetize and make a living out of it. Get it from people like me. I have never been employed and I do online jobs. And I understand how it would be difficult for me to get a job out there. So it is very important for you to have skills that you can easily monetize and make money out of it. On this video, we're going to talk about 5 high-paying skills that anyone can learn and start making money online. Before we continue, in case you've not subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button and also give the video a big thumbs up, and also share, guys. Make sure you share this video to anyone who is searching for online jobs. The first high-paying skill that anyone can learn and make money out of it is becoming a copywriter. We are in the digital age and companies are searching for writers who can do comparing copies for their websites, for their ads, for their social media pages. And the demand is going to continue increasing because all businesses at this age are going online. They'll need a website, they'll need social media pages, meaning it is a good skill. Now, I know someone is going to pay like ChatGPT has taken over. No, ChatGPT cannot take over the copywriting jobs completely. What it does, it makes the work of a copywriter easier. So in case you're in a position where you can learn about copywriting, how to do it, how to go about writing the copies, the compelling copies, because there are different types of copies. If you're able to do copywriting, it puts you on a better ground because you can easily be able to do different things in line with being a writer. For example, I am a writer. I can do copywriting, I can do SEO. I can also do academic writing. So in case you're able to learn copywriting, it's going to make everything easy for you, even as you transition from copywriting or article writing to other forms of writing, even writing social media content. I see these copywriting jobs each and every day on Upwork and on guru.com. And one big mistake that people make with these jobs is going to apply for those jobs without something to show that you can actually do. So being a copywriter is one thing, and being able to show that you can easily be able to do it is another thing. One thing in the world of writing, either academic writing or article writing, no one is going to hire you when they're not sure that you can 100% be able to deliver. So even if you've done the course anywhere or someone has showed you how to do it, and you do not have a sample or something that can actually show that you can do copywriting, it will be very hard for you to get a job. The easiest way of getting a job is having a sample or something that showcases that you can easily be able to write. For example, you can guest post or open a free website. For example, I have a free website on bloggers.com that I use to showcase what I can do to my potential clients. The second high-paying skill is becoming a web designer. Now, businesses are going online. Some have websites, some do not have websites. And the first thing that many companies does is going on social media. And after they are on 1, 2, or 3 platforms on social media, they will need one central point where they can direct all their customers, and that is having a website. That creates a high demand for web designing. And when it comes now to web designing, it's not just about creating the website. Also, running it and maintaining it is a job. So in case you would be able to learn how to do web designing, I personally learned about web designing here on YouTube, and I am able to create my own website for free. And guys, if I had the time, if I had no other online jobs, I could easily monetize that. And that's something you can learn even within a day. You just have to learn and practice it. If you learn today and practice it within 1 or 2 weeks, you will be at a good position to start monetizing the skill. And with web design, I do not mean about coding and stuff. I know web designing involves coding and so many other things. I mean the WordPress account. Just to show you, there is a huge market for it. Just recently, my partner paid someone to create a WordPress website for them. And their friend is looking for someone who can create for them, and I am also in the process of creating one. What I'm trying to say is there is a huge market locally and internationally for web designers. In case you're here in Kenya, a website goes for between 25 to 30,000. Some other people charges up to 50,000. It's according to your client, how much can they be able to pay, and also your skill, how much do you value yourself. And in case you're working with an international client, you can easily even ask for $1,000. And they're going to pay for it. The third high-paying skill is becoming a digital marketer. Now, we've seen companies that going online or social media. They also need a digital marketer to put their product. Someone who understands social media, SEO, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, all those metrics. They'll need someone who understands them, and that's where a digital marketer comes in. In digital marketing, you cannot be able to do everything or just learn about everything at the same time. So the best thing would be to understand one thing at a time. For example, you can decide to understand social media management, or you can decide to go with Instagram, Google Ads, SEO. Anything that's regard digital marketing, you should start from somewhere. Start with just one skill and you will easily be able to transition and learn a few more things. And the more skills you have in regards to digital marketing, the more money you're able to make. The fourth high-paying skill is becoming a video editor. We've seen businesses are going online, and I'm sure you've seen so many businesses and companies are already using social media. And in the recent past, we've seen the demand for video type of content increasing. Everyone is creating video content. We've seen challenges. We have seen so many types of video content on different platforms, and that means what? There's a high demand for video editors and video creators. So in case you're able to learn how to do video editing, being able to do transition, very good transition, guys. There are transitions that I see online and I'm like, who created these ones? They are very perfect. In case you're able to learn that all, maybe you already have the skill, you should not sleep on it, because companies are now searching for creators, video creators. Every company wants to be on TikTok, want to be on YouTube, want to be on Instagram. And who is going to create these videos for them? It's you who already have the skill. The best way to market yourself or put yourself out there for this video editing skill is creating content for your pages. Start creating transitions, very beautiful ones. I can assure you it's not going to take long, guys. I do not know who you follow on TikTok, but guys, I have seen people say that they're able to get good jobs with good companies by just putting out their content on TikTok, educating people on how to do transitions, showing out different ways on how to edit videos. And with this video editing, you can be able to go very far, because, for example, sometimes we see event creators, the celebrities, carrying editors and video producers on them with their flights to different countries so that they can edit and keep posting their videos, and that is an added advantage. But guys, as you're starting out, as I always say, start small, start from wherever you are, and transition, grow slowly, because there is nothing like getting rich quick. On this channel, we don't talk anything about getting rich quick. It's always a process. Start by learning the skill and start marketing yourself. Start reaching out to companies, to small businesses, and you'll be able to climb the ladder from that point. The next high-paying skill is learning how to use ChatGPT. Now, ChatGPT has come in and has disrupted so many things, but it is very important. I know someone out there is going to say ChatGPT has disrupted the world of writers, for example, in copywriting. But guys, ChatGPT has not disrupted 100%, but instead ChatGPT has come to help copywriters or anyone who is in the field of writing to be able to create content that's good and great. So do not be stuck on the idea that ChatGPT has disrupted the world of writing, but you should see it in a different angle. For example, I cannot go for a day without using ChatGPT, or I cannot do a single job without using ChatGPT. That means ChatGPT is a complement in my work. Also, there are so many other things that you can do with ChatGPT apart from writing. You can do social media content. You can create digital products like ebooks. You can even create courses with just ChatGPT. ChatGPT has a very huge potential, and in case you do not know how to use it, I have a short tutorials like 1 or 2 minutes that go straight to the point to explain to you how to use ChatGPT. Make sure you check it after the end of this video. I'm going to leave the link down on the description. That is it for today, guys. Those are the 5 high-paying skills that anyone can learn. And guys, you can be able to find these skills on different platforms. Some are paid, some are free. For example, we have Skillshare, we have Coursera, we have Google Courses. There are so many platforms so you can learn this skill. And also, guys, the biggest one is here on YouTube. There are people who give out these courses for free here on YouTube, and I guess you should not sleep on it. Anyway, guys, that is it for today. In case you have a question, drop it down in the comment section, and I'll see you in my next video.